the topic. Okay, so boys and girls, as we have sent you the messages that we are going to continue the classes the coming 3 days, that is Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, so today is Tuesday, tomorrow Wednesday and Thursday. With the topics, you are going to speak about the Colors Foundation team and obviously your trainer, that is Shahnwaz sir. But we have given you one more options because everyone could not get the opportunity to speak, which you have already practiced, and that was supposed to be a topic. Actually, it should have been happened on Friday or Saturday. Yeah, I mean to say on Saturday, but we could not do because shortage of time. So we are going to continue that also. All right. So boys and girls, very clearly to all the students present on the screen, you have two options, boys and girls. First option is you are going to speak about colors team and your trainer Shahnwaz Afzal sir, or the second option is you have to act like a trainer and you can go forward with your topic which you have prepared, which you have practiced. All right. So boys and girls.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, I have.
What about those who have already given about the Colors Foundation and about you?
Yeah. So Sahar, who has already delivered the topics which you are supposed to deliver and act as a trainer, and who already have said about colors team and your trainer Shahnwaz sir, you can do it again. First option. And second option is you are supposed to listen to everyone, because you don't know what surprise they may be keeping. Okay, so as you have completed both, no problem. We are giving one more chance to everyone. If you want to speak on a particular topic or a different topic, you can speak, or you can speak a few words also. And obviously Sahar, obviously the many girls and boys are going to speak, so you can ask them the question also. Obviously we are also going to ask, and we can gain a more and more knowledge. All right, Sahar.
Excuse me. Yes, sir. I have said about the Colors Foundation, but I have not said about my topic, sir. So I have to say only about my topic, sir.
Are you ready, Sahar?
Yes, sir.
What is your topic?
Space.
Okay, thank you, Sahar. I will just wait for my command. I will be just giving you the command to start the topic. Okay, so boys and girls, before we start, we have already got many messages and requests from the students that we should act as a trainer. We are supposed to act like a trainer, sir, and we also need this platform to show our capability. I said, okay, no problem. We will give the chance to everyone. So before starting, I want to just convey you the messages. The message is that everyone is to submit your name, father's names, and email ID to the colors team number, color foundation number, which is starting from 77. I hope everyone knows, because someone has forwarded your parents' name and your name and email ID to my WhatsApp. No problem. I have forwarded that number to that colors team, but make sure you submit this to the colors foundation team, your name, father name, and email ID. Why? The reason is we are distributing the virtual certificate, and on that virtual certificate, your parents' name, your name, and email ID is must and should. That is the reason we are asking your details. All right. So thank you very much. So here we are going to start this class from the girls from Gujarat. We have two girls from Gujarat. So these girls actually they are going to start. Tamanna, please mute yourself. Can you mute yourself? All right. So I was saying we have got a request from Gujarat also. So boys and girls, before we starting, I have a question for you. Oh my God, I'm speaking continuously again. Unmute yourself, and you're supposed to say, yes, sir, we can hear you loud and clear.
Yes, sir. We can
Yes,
hear
sir,
you
your
loud and
voice is
clear.
audible.
Yes, sir, we can hear your voice loud and clear.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, my second question is, boys and girls, as I said, there are two girls from Gujarat who are going to start our class today. But I just want to know, do you know why the Gujarat is famous for? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. Option B, Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option C, present Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Or option D, your trainer, Mohammad Shahnwaz Afzal sir.
Option A.
All,
Sir, option
all of the above, sir.
Option D.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
All of the above.
Yeah.
It is famous for
All.
its statue.
I say for
Statue of
Mahatma
Unity.
Gandhi.
Okay, boys and girls.
Very much proud of our father of our nation.
Boys and girls, please mute yourself. Our president is giving you the advice. Tamanna, what is happening to you? Oh my God, Gosha Begum, please mute yourself. Okay, boys and girls, listen. Sajjad sir wants to say something. Sajjad sir, please.
That's what, sir.
Sir, you are not audible.
My option is Mahatma Gandhi ji. So we are very proud of our father of our nation.
All right. So I think we should agree with that because, you know, truth, peace, non-violence. Truth, peace, and non-violence. Through that, we want the independence. And the reason is, you know, boys and girls, what was the important weapon? You know, the most powerful weapon of Mahatma Gandhi ji. All lady can win the war. But I'm talking about the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. His weapon was truth, you know, satyagraha. Through that, we got the independence. Okay, let us forget about Gujarat and let us come to Gujarat girls. Okay, so the first girl is Tamanna and the second girl is Sabha. So boys and girls, please listen carefully what they are going to speak. Tamanna, please start. After Tamanna, it will be Sabha, and after that, Seher. Yeah, Tamanna, please start. We are running out of time.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Tamanna from Opleta, district Rajkot, and the
State, Gujarat.
state Gujarat, one village of the Gujarat.
Yes.
Today, I would like to take place of the trainer for 5 to 10 minutes. May I?
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
Thank you. My today's topic is the social media. So today,
Okay.
I want to ask you what social media is.
Okay.
Social media is platform where we can introduce ourselves and show our talent.
Yes.
You can also meet other people, new people.
Yes,
Social
sir.
media is a platform where we can socialize ourselves.
Sir, did you call me?
No, it's okay. Let everyone give the answer. All right, boys and girls, any other answers? What is
there
social
any
media?
other answers?
Okay, Tamanna, please continue.
Okay. In short, the social media is the platform where the two people or more than the two people interact with each other, and they can share the knowledge, exchange information and ideas, and the virtual communication.
Okay.
And nowadays, the social media are very updated. You can do your business with the social media, and you can get a benefit. You can get more benefit from the social media also, and you can share your information, logos like today.
Yes.
Nowadays, people are doing the business
Yes.
like purchasing, buying, anything you can do from the social media.
Okay.
Okay. My another question is there any cons and the pros of the social media?
Okay, boys and girls, anyone wants to say advantages or disadvantages of social media?
Sir, advantages is we can show our talent and disadvantages is we will be addicted to it.
Addicted. All right. Addiction. Anyone else wants to try?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the disadvantage is someone will what you can say, someone will misuse information which we upload
Okay.
on social media.
Sir,
Okay.
can I? May
Yeah,
I,
yeah.
sir?
Yeah,
Sir?
Bushra Fatima, you are supposed to speak little louder. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir. We should, prawns are, we can make new friends and communicate with them, and we can connect to our family members and all. And the cons are posting like inappropriate things, status, pictures are the cons.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, who was
Sir,
next?
can
Yeah,
I?
yeah, please.
So disadvantages of social media is the childrens will be anti-social.
Oh my God. Okay, so I did not understood that. Seema Banu, can you please explain what is the meaning of antisocial? Or anyone else can explain what is the meaning of antisocial? Okay,
Away from people, sir.
what is that, Shubha Sudhav? Can you please repeat?
They get away from people. They stop staying with people.
Okay, anti-media. Okay, okay. Yeah, Bushra Fatima, what's your opinion?
We think bad about them and we compare them. So it means
Okay.
anti.
So comparison and discriminations takes place. Okay, fine. Thank you, Bushra Fatima. All right. So boys and girls, unmute yourself. Here comes the next question. Which is your favorite application? Obviously, it's on social media. So I just want to give the
Instagram.
4 option. After giving 4 option, you can tell your own also. The first one is WhatsApp. Second one is Facebook. Third one is Instagram. The next application is TikTok, Snapchat, PUBG. Let us check. Unmute yourself and one by one, please.
Instagram, sir.
WhatsApp, sir. Instagram and WhatsApp.
Okay. Everyone, please.
Sir, YouTube.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
Only Insta, sir.
Sir, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok.
Okay.
Sir, I don't like anything.
Instagram, WhatsApp, PUBG.
Only if I can say WhatsApp, sir.
So Snapchat, YouTube,
But I don't chat with my friends that much.
Right now you are in social media and you are saying I don't like social media. What is this, Anis Fatima?
No, sir, I'm not telling like that, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm telling that none of the options suit me, sir.
No, Anis Fatima, you are wrong. You should make more and more friends, because the friends are the need. When the friend is in need, a friend is indeed, So what happens here if you are
No, sir, I have many friends, but I don't talk to them. I don't chat with them, but I just call them, sir.
This
Oh
is
my
called
God.
antisocial, when they do not connect with the social.
Okay. No, Anis Fatima, she said I call them, but I don't talk with them. So you both are speechless while speaking. Aruna Prashant, can you please mute yourself? Aruna Prashant. Okay, background
just
disturbance.
think it's
Dog is
phone
barking. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Anis Fatima.
What I do is, and it is very difficult to chat, sir.
Okay, Anis Fatima. Please continue.
Google is a social media.
Yeah, one more question. Do you think Google is
Yes.
on social media?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
no, sir.
I think so.
No,
It's
sir.
not a social media.
Then what
Then
it is?
may I ask what is it is?
Search engine.
Search engine. Wow, it's search engine. Good. Google.
Yes, sir. It's an
Yes, yes.
Without taking any charges. Nowadays, nobody do work without taking charges. There are some universities and the platform online which are taking charges and not providing the, I think, not providing the correct information and not helping a student. And I think the Sanavasar and the Colors Foundation, whenever you message, you get a reply back as soon as possible, and they are helping 24 hours. It is a very good platform, and I would like to say you must join it. Thank you.
Okay. All right. All right. Tamanna, thank you very much. All right, boys and girls, everyone unmute yourself. We are going to appreciate Tamanna. Well done, Tamanna.
Well done, Tamanna. Well done, Tamanna.
Well done, Tamanna.
Well done, Tamanna.
Good job, Tamanna.
Okay. So now let us go to Sabha. So Sabha will wait. Let us go to Sahar. Sabha, are you from Gujarat?
Yes, sir. I am from Gujarat, near
Okay.
Rajkot, Upleta village.
Okay, Sabha, what's your qualification?
I am the student of 12th class commerce stream.
All right. Thank you very much, Sabha. Sabha, you have to just wait for 2 minutes because Sahar is ready. So Sahar is going to explain. After that, there will be an Sahar. After that, you will get the chance. Okay.
Okay,
Sahar,
sir,
please
no problem.
start. Okay. Sahar,
Okay,
please start. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Seher. I will
Sahar.
be your
Good
Yes,
night.
sir.
Sweet dreams.
Sorry, sir.
It's
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Seher. I will be your trainer for 5 to 10 minutes. I am from Bangalore. So the topic I have chosen to teach you all is space.
Wow.
God has created so many wonderful creations. One of them is space.
Okay.
So God has created, so many amazing creations. Like one of them could be as humans, the earth, the space. But remember one thing, that God has created everything for a purpose.
Okay.
There is so much about space, our solar system, and the galaxy that we still don't know. Space is vast, with billions of galaxies and stars and planets in our solar system that is yet to be fully explored. There are billions, so many galaxies. We still only know one, that is the Milky Way. There are so many other galaxies that scientists still have to explore. Scientists' knowledge of space is always evolving. They always are eager to know more about space. There are, however, some really cool things that we know about space right now. Like, for example, the planets, the moon, the stars. So, let me tell you some more cool things about space.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sahar, just now you said that God created many things and one of the part was space, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, Sahar. So I just want to ask Sahar and remaining students, especially our volunteer, that is Sayyid Azra, Zunaira Fatima, Seema Banu, and all the students. My question is, as Sahar is saying God created many things, I just want to know who created God and where is God?
Nobody created the God.
No one created the God, sir. God is in the seventh heaven.
No one created the
God
God.
is everywhere, sir.
No one created God,
No one
sir.
created God, sir.
So
God is
without
our parents, sir.
God
without
created
God is
everybody.
everywhere and he observed each and everything and nobody created him. He created everything.
so do you think without creation we can call God? Okay.
Can you
In
please
detail,
repeat, sir?
without creation, you said like God created space, God created mountains, animals, human beings. So God created, we know that. But who created God? You know, as you are saying that no one created God, sir, because God created everyone. So I mean to say, like, have you seen God or have you spoken to God? So why you are assuming that God only created this?
Because we see that we see in Quran, and it is the holy book. From the holy book we will get to know. And we can communicate to God by our prayers also.
Okay.
Yeah,
Seher and Mehek Fatima. Seher and Mehek Fatima, please wait. Bushra, speak loudly.
Yes, sir. And if we we read Quran every day, and in that it's not like you should just read Quran, and you should understand about it. And if you understand, you will get hidayah from it, and you will get to know that yeah, God is truly there. And if we ask something, we should just ask for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because God, we should just ask for God, because he he listens to our prayers,
Okay. Okay.
and he gives us.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. Mehek Fatima, your point,
Like,
please.
sir.
Yeah, Asra, please wait. Mehek Fatima and Sahar,
Yes, sir.
you want to say something? What I asked the
No,
question, you want to give the answer? Okay. Mehek, you want to say something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please say
So
it.
we should believe God. Urdu will say some Qudrat. So we should observe that and we should believe on
Okay.
God.
Wait. Mehek Fatima, I think you should arrange your headphones. Lot of disturbance. Okay, 1 minute, Mehek Fatima. First is Asra, but before Asra, Anis Fatima is ready. Anis Fatima, would you like to say something?
Yes, sir. Sir, because the prophet told there is one God, that is Allah, so we have to follow it, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Anis Fatima. Sayyid Azra.
Yes, sir. May I start, sir?
Yeah, please.
Sir, first of all, you asked us how can we say that God created? Because we have learned it from our parents. Our parents, from we are born and in our childhood, we heard this only. So we believe that God is only created, and we follow and we pray, we read holy book, and I guess that is the answer
All right.
according
Thank you,
to
sir.
me.
Yes.
Shall I say so?
Yeah, please start.
In the world, there are many things like we have pain, but we can't see pain. There are souls, we believe in souls, we believe in pain, but we don't see. We are not able to see the souls, we are not able to touch them. The same way, there is someone who created everything, and we should believe in it.
Oh my God, that was the best example. Well done, Tuba Sadaf. The word is the pain. You cannot feel it. The same way it has been created, you cannot see it. Obviously. So this is what Tuba Sadaf said. Excellent answer. So boys and girls, we are practicing here. In your future, if someone asks this question, the best answer should be replied. And the best answer was Tuba Sadaf. Okay. These days, people are like, give me the example. Show me the truth. So you should be ready with your answer. Okay. Thank you very much. Sahar, please continue.
Yes, sir. So let me tell you a few more cool things about space. The first thing is that space is completely silent. So space has no atmosphere, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Like for example, two astronauts go to space. They can hear each other's voice, but they cannot hear what how the space is like. They cannot hear other voices.
All right.
Any
Thank
questions?
you. Sahar, is this your question you're asking to everyone? Why could not they hear? Okay, Sahar, I think you have completed your speech.
No, sir. I am saying
Yeah.
that they can only hear their each voices. They can.
Okay, I was asking Sahar whether you are asking question to others or your speech has been completed. Okay, Sahar.
Sir, we can't hear. I can't hear her voice, sir.
Yeah, we also could not hear. Sahar, I think you should, yeah, please continue.
Yes, sir. So I have a question for all of you. Everyone can participate in this question. How many Earths do you think can fit inside the sun?
How many Earths do you think can fit inside the sun? S-U-N, sun, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's very simple answer. I know. Let me search in Google. Yeah, remaining
No
students.
searching in Google, sir.
No searching in
No
Google.
one
Okay.
should search in Google and say the answer.
Okay. No one to search in Google, boys and girls. Yeah. Let us try our luck. I think 1,000 Earths. Yeah. Remaining students, how many Earths can fit in one sun?
May I, sir?
Yeah, Bushra Fatima.
Million. 8.
Billion.
1.6
million.
1.6 million.
1.6 million.
Yeah, 1.6 million.
1.3 million.
1.3 million.
Sir, may I say the correct answer?
Yeah, please tell the correct answer.
The correct answer was given by Safa. It was 1.6 million.
1.6 million. Safa Sheikh, congratulations. And Seher is saying your name. So she is going to send a surprise gift to your house. Please accept it. Okay. Maybe istri cooker or mixie. Seher, please continue.
Yes, sir. That is so amazing that 1.6 billion Earths can fit inside this huge sun. Inside that Earth, we tiny human beings are there. So the second point I'm going to say is the sunset on Mars appears blue. How? According to NASA, the sunset on Mars would appear bluish to human observers watching from the blue planet. So, according to NASA, they are saying that the sunset on Mars would appear bluish to humans. We can watch from here with the telescope that it will observe blue. How? Fine dust makes blue color near the sun's part of the sky much more visible. So, fine dust which is created from the sun makes it makes the blue color near the sun's setting part of the sun. While normal daylight makes sorry, yeah, this is how it makes the sunset on Mars appear blue.
Okay.
The third point is 1 day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Earth.
Wow. Superb.
Venus has a slow axis rotation which takes 243 Earth days to complete its 1 day.
Okay.
So it has a really slow axis.
Yes.
While it is completing its 1 day, Earth can complete its 243 days.
Oh my God. Seher, sorry to interrupt you. We are going to give
Yes,
chance
sir.
to everywhere. But I want to say, Seher, you can become a science teacher, because the knowledge about the space, you can become astronaut also. So it's wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
You have done a lot of hard work and research, the way you are saying, obviously. So Seher, this will be your last point. Please continue.
Yes, sir. This is my last point. I
Yes.
would like to conclude on this topic by saying one of the basic rules of universe is that nothing is perfect. Perfection is simply doesn't exist. So you should not always think that you have to be perfect at something. If everyone tell you also, you can't be perfect at anything. You have to keep trying and trying. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.
Oh my God. Excellent, Seher. All right, boys and girls, appreciate her. Unmute yourself and well done, Seher.
Awesome.
Well done, Seher.
Well done, Seher.
Okay, good, Seher.
Good job, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Bushra.
Can I say the points about colors team and Shanawaz, sir?
Yes, Bushra, that will be 3 to 4. Right now, only 4 minutes is remaining, and in that 4 minutes will be
Okay,
given to Sabah. Okay. Seher,
Okay,
my
sir.
question is, what is the full form of NASA?
Yes, sir, I am telling.
By searching in Google.
Sir, actually, I thought of writing the full form, but
No problem. Everyone knows
I'm-
the answer. So let us see. Anyone knows what is the full form of NASA?
Sir, may I say?
Yeah, Bushra.
National Aeronautics and Space Administration.
I thought America will come in that. Anyone knows the full form of NASA?
Yes, sir. May I?
Yeah, please, Gosha Begum.
National Aeronautics and Space Administration.
Okay, so yeah, that's what Bushra also said. Thank you, Bushra. Thank you, Gosha Begum. Sabah, please start.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Pleasant to see you again. academic year 2020 to 2021 when you spoken and personality development classes from Colors Foundation, Place Bangalore. Respected dignitaries of Colors Foundation, as I present my highest gratitude, I want to introduce myself. I am Sabha Karya and I am a student of personality development and spoken English classes. As we move forward, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to welcome Colors team and students and all the students who are present in the stream. My topic is internet and I want to say a few words about internet. My voice is audible. So,
Yes, your voice is very much loud and clear. And Sabha, we have left only 1 minute 20 seconds. The screen will disappear. So it's an humble request everyone to get connected 3 to 4th batch. Okay, again next batch you have got the link. So we will continue with more, much more interesting things. Sabha, please continue. Sabha, are you there? Oh no. All right. So I think some reason Sabha got disconnected. We could not hear your voice, boys and girls. So what is going to happen is like we are going to end this session, and the next session, that is 3 to 4 batch, we are going to get connected. Okay. So I just want to say, yeah, Tuba Sadaf, you can continue in the next batch. Okay, we will give the chance. Let us do one rules. Everyone will get 2 minutes time. In that way, everyone can communicate. Okay, it's not 2 minutes time. We are going to give 5 minutes. Okay, so 8 students can deliver in the next batch on the next topic. So boys and girls, please get ready for the next batch. 10 to 15 minutes break, and let us all come together once again and let us see what we have in the store with the different ideas and different innovations from our batch, and that is our students. All right. So I think everyone should finish your lunch.